Hi, I'm Leah, and I'm gonna make a mango twist. So the first thing I really like it is because mangoes are my favorite fruit, and ice cubes make it really cold. And blueberries are actually my second favorite fruit, and strawberries because I always like having different flavors in there, and plain yogurt to make it all nice and smooth. So let's get started. The ingredients are half a mango, 5 ice cubes, 6 strawberries, 15 blueberries, and 1 cup of plain yogurt. Okay, so now we're gonna add in my favorite fruit, mangoes, blueberries, strawberries, my ice cubes, and last but not least, my yogurt. Let's mix. Cover your ears, it's gonna get real noisy. Looks so good. Let's pour myself a cup. I really like this smoothie because it gives me 373 calories and 250% of my vitamin C. And that makes me have lots of energy.